Mean the ochul give me priority the pending bills. Bills gain bills mose bodho ko chakre 2016 to date. The previous regime nyocha ne chudo to now gilu yore mabeyo mag chudo. Priorities ne give me your farms mamoko mopogre gi general farms manosetimo tije machon. We would want ni first come first served. Gikongi chudo those bills e kama ndo roll out new projects. The moment mochul contractors and suppliers, economy mar town dewa many sub counties to gi headquarters ka the chung immediately because contractors the chulo funde biro ng'iewo lot pesa ni chopo kuom ng'ato ka ng'ato mai Migori County ka ose affect contractors in big time. Mokwongo wan gi contractors but some of them not for. I'm sorry to say that. Nikech gope mani bandogi ne gidhi into depression. Nitie contractors mose us gigegi. Nitie contractors masani koro ok nyal timo gimoro amora. Nitie kata some of us mani piny koro nikech tuoche. Kotelie gi His Excellency Governor Dr. Ochako through the County Assembly, manyogi allocate godo funds madhi chulo pending bills, funds mawa over 500 million.
As you have said, there has been audit of all the pending bills, and the answer will surely be there. You can give me around 3 months. In the meantime, we are going to be up and about, paying impromptu visits in the various offices of our revenue officers so that they can know we are serious. Dismantle the cartels. First, there may be need, or there will be need, to shuffle the staff, because that is one way of weakening the links between them. Cartels cannot exist outside there without their agents also amongst us.
Just set up if you want to hand over to have the outgoing county executive committee, Madam Scholar, take over.
Thank you, CS. Good afternoon, all.
Thank you.
Karibu sana.
One question.
Baby, you're a mogi, can't you